The company was a UK guarantor loan lender. It offered loans where a friend or family member guaranteed repayments. Wikipedia. It has now ceased offering new loans and is winding down operations. AmigoPLC.com. So, what happens to loans that were already taken out? Existing borrowers and guarantors are still liable under the original loan agreements. Little-loans.com. The business model now is run off of the legacy loan book, collecting what remains, managing claims, and paying out redress rather than issuing new credit. Debt Camel. Therefore, the question of whether Amigo can collect debts depends on the status of your loan. If you borrowed from Amigo and have an outstanding balance, yes, the loan still exists and repayments are expected. If you are a guarantor, you may still be at risk of being asked to pay if the borrower defaults, unless the terms of the scheme release you. Amigo's ability to enforce or pursue collection may be impacted by its own financial and legal situation, its scheme of arrangement, regulatory issues, etc. Important regulatory and legal context. The Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, found Amigo failed to conduct adequate affordability checks between November 2018 and March 2020. FCA. Amigo entered a court-sanctioned scheme of arrangement in May 2022 to deal with customer complaints and redress. Financial Ombudsman. The scheme deadline for making complaints was November 26, 2022. Debt Camel. What you should do if you are in this situation. Check your loan contract. Do you still owe money under Amigo? If you are a guarantor, find out whether you remain liable or whether the scheme has released guarantors in your case. If you believe your loan was unaffordable at the time, check whether you made a claim under the scheme and if you were notified of an outcome. The deadlines have passed for making new claims. Debt Camel. Keep records of all correspondence, payments, and communications from Amigo or its agents. Contact a debt advice service if you're being pursued and you believe the debt may be disputed or you're under financial distress.